For Mixed Media Made Easy for February 2018. Well, you know, every month in this subscription kit, you get a surface. The surface this time is this frame. It's called a wish bank, but we're going to use it as a frame. It does have glass in it. It's going to come all bubble wrapped. So that's our surface. Our medium is this metallic texture paste in black, and it's quite a generous amount, so we're going to be using that. Now, in addition, you can see all the extra goodies, but let me just bring them in to show you. You're going to get some floral paper towel. You're going to get 2 metal label holders. You're going to get some flowers, some wooden buttons, a couple of ribbons, some bingo wood pieces, and some super extra glitter. And in addition, you're going to get this creativity book. And the reason why we wanted members to have this is all of the bounty that's inside. So you have these embossed foiled words that are just stunning. And then in this book, you're going to get all kinds of inspiration about creativity. They're printed on this kind of parchment looking paper, and you're just going to get tons and tons and tons of it. So you see that as we have quotes, we have comments. They're all beautifully done. And we also have, there's some instructions in case you wanted to do a little book. So that's included. That's just a bonus. And then we have just individual words, again, more of these. And that goes throughout the entire book. So there are, and then just individual words. So I just think you're going to find so much use out of this beyond the kit this month. There are 24 pages of instructions to make the book, and then 64 words and phrases, 44 accents, and 16 of the embossed charms. Creativity is what this kit is all about. And let me show you what Lene has done. She has taken all of these elements and she's created this really wonderful piece. You can see that she's torn edges, she's sprinkled some glitter. That stripe paper that I didn't even mention is the background of this. And then she's added the paper towel and just done some inking and some collaging on top of it. So you can see she chose inspiration, creativity, believe in her and art. For her words, you can choose whatever you want. Those little glitter bits have been added onto the paper towel, and then on top of some of the distressing that she did. Now, Lene used a previous stencil that was included, but she'll also tell you how to make your own. And you can see that that paste was used to cover the box and then to do some additional decorating. So I love the fact that even though this is all black, she sanded it, she's done some distressing. I love the fact that those wooden spools will allow this to sit, and that's really, really nice. Of course, you can hang it if you wanted to. So that's just quite lovely. Now, Lene always does another version, and for her other version, she decided to use a photograph of, I believe her mother, but I'm not sure. And you can see that she's added kind of the same thing, but replaced that message, you must believe in yourself and in all the possibilities, with the photograph. And she chose courage to indicate that person. So everything else is quite the same. So that worked nicely too. And we always include a card and an envelope. That way you can share your creativity with someone else. And you do get 2 of these metal plates. So one of them goes on the card with one of the ribbons. And you can see how this has been done. And Lene will give you step-by-step instructions on her video as you link to it, as we explain in the newsletter. So as always, you have a wonderful collection of materials and some new things, which is always fun. And then they get turned into a really wonderful work of art. And you can change it if you like it. And then you can also do a card. Now, Mixed Media Made Easy is a monthly kit, and it's really great if you'd like to step your toes into this mixed media pool, but maybe you're not quite sure or where to begin. And it's just a great way to do it very easily with Lene to guide you step by step. If you'd like to join us, we invite you. Go to paperwishes.com. Go on the right-hand side, you'll see the monthly kits, and click there and you'll see Mixed Media Made Easy. You'll also see scrapbooking, card making, stamps, cutting dies. We have so many things for you, and they can be yours every single month, and they are unique, and creativity will come right to your door.